Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute embossed card with the Ringed with Nature bundle. Here's my simple Ringed with Nature card. I have used the Ringed with Nature bundle, which includes this stamp set dies, and what's super cool is it includes this embossing folder. And I'm going to show you a couple things with the hybrid that you can do. So there's this large die that you can put in there, which we will do. But first, because I already have it all lined up and hopefully ready to go, we're going to do the small pieces. So I have a piece of crumb cake cardstock here, and I have my die and cutting machine. And then I'm going to use the number 1 and the number 4 I'm going to put on top. So I've got all of these lined up. I'm going to go like this. And they all have the edge facing up, and they're all on the side with the logo. And just make sure that they're all in place there. So we've got, whoops, all of our dies in place, and then I'm going to put the paper over it so that it covers all the die areas. There we go. All right, should be right there. Okay, and just carefully fold this down. Put this on top. I'm going to roll this through. Okay, and now, super cool, drum roll, or hit the water bottle. All the pieces are cut out and embossed. So cool. And then you could use this piece for like a little peekaboo card. That would be really cute. Have all these different animals or different things looking through the embossing. So I'm going to collect all of my little pieces that I have, and I'm going to put all of these back on here. So I'm just going to, this one goes here. And this large one goes here, and then this one goes here, and we've got this one over here. Okay, so those are the dies, and then I've got all the little pieces that I'm just gonna knock off. Wow, they got like embossed on there, or we've got some static cling going on. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you just the regular embossing with the large die. So again, I'm going to put the die. So now this is the large die, and it's all one piece, so it makes it easier this time because it'll just go and fit right in there. And then you're going to want to do a 4 1/4 by 6 piece of cardstock. Otherwise it won't cover all of the nice little tree rings that you want here. So I'm gonna grab this number 4 plate again and put it on top. I'm gonna move all of my little inside rings aside, and then we will roll this one through. Okay, so now we have, just move this out of the way, all the large pieces embossed. So you can just knock that off, and we've got all the large pieces. So super, super duper cool. They just all fall out. And again, you could use this as like a peekaboo card. I like the other one better. It's a little bit, you know, it's got a little bit more one edge of the tree trunk there. Ooh, or it might even be cool to go like that and layer it this way. Oh my goodness, I might have a card idea right here. And then have little animals peeking through the holes. So cute. Okay, so that is this die, and then you can put it right back on there. And then we've got, this could be like a mushroom if you go this way, or an acorn if you go this way. And we've got an acorn top and mushroom bottoms. And then we've got all these fun little leaves as well. So I'm gonna use some of those. So I did this in early espresso. So you can do early espresso, or you can do soft suede. So I've done some soft suede here as well. So for this card, I wonder if I should try early espresso. It kind of looks good. So I'll get my 2 early espresso pieces. I actually didn't use the large one. I used this one, and then I used a small one. So I think I used, where did my other piece go? I don't think it's this one. Did I really use this small one? I guess I did. Okay, so those are my 2 pieces here. And then I've already embossed just a 4 by 5 1/4 sheet, just with no dies, so that it's just the embossing. And you're gonna wanna put a lot of adhesive on the back of this one because it's got a lot of texture to it. So I normally only just do the outside edges, but I'm gonna do the inside as well, so that this stays down. And we'll just put it on there real good. Okay, so there's our pretty background. And then I'm gonna go ahead and adhere down the little rings. So it's easy to figure out how they go because you can kind of see the little notches. You can figure out how they fit in each other. And again, I'm adding a lot of adhesive because there's a lot of fun texture on these. Okay, so now I'm just going to put these together like so, and I'm not even gonna put them on dimensionals, which is crazy. I always put stuff on dimensionals, but there's so much texture and dimension on this embossing that, and I'm gonna be adding stuff on top. So I don't feel like I really need any dimensionals. Okay, so now we have these textural elements that are in the annual catalog, and they are super cool, like wood elements. And I think they look really cool with this bundle. So we're gonna add 2 of those there. I'll just clear off the rest of those. And then I have cut out a whole bunch of different pieces of the leaves. So we can add like a leaf branch or 2. And I tried it in the evening evergreen color as well. So if you wanted to add like an evening evergreen color down there, you could, just whatever you want. But now I'm just gonna emboss the sentiment just for you. On some evening evergreen. So I've got all my pieces ready here. Okay, you should get a nice embossing from this. And you can use your tweezers from the embossing kit. Okay, that came out really nicely, but a little tip, if sometimes it looks a little spotty, not as solid as you want it to be, you can just take the chalk marker and you can just color in like those little spots, and then it looks perfecto. Okay, so let that dry a little bit, but we're gonna cut it out with the Stylish Shapes dies. So I'm gonna use this banner die up here. I'll just line that up. So I think it should go like here a little bit, or maybe down a little bit. Okay, I gotta do it from this angle. Okay, yes, I think that's good. Okay, very nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add this with dimensionals first, and I'm gonna use mini dimensionals so I have a lot of room to stick things in underneath there. So just for you, okay, because we're gonna be sticking these wood things in, and oh no, it broke. Okay, I will hide that, or I will fix it. I don't have my wood glue with me. Okay, but we can, maybe I can just hide it in there. No, I want a full piece. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one, maybe go out this way. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on the stem, maybe some glue on those, and stick that under there like so. Try and see if a mini dimensional will fit right there. Yeah. Okay. All different adhesive possibilities you can try. Okay, so I'm gonna get one that's not broken, and I'm gonna fix this one with wood glue. Wood glue works really, really well. So I'm just gonna get a little bit on the end here. It's super, super strong. And it can even put these little delicate things back together. Okay. I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna use that on something else. I'm gonna get a new one, and this one I want to go out that way. So I'm gonna glue this side. And stick that under over here. Like that. All right, wood glue is always handy to have. Fix things. Okay. All right, and that is our lovely rings, tree rings card. So I'm offering a special class using the Ringed with Nature bundle, and it includes supplies for 6 cards. So 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards. So purchase the bundle using the current host code, and let me know that you would like this nature card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial using the Ringed with Nature bundle and the Rings of Love Designer Series paper. Go ahead and go check them out, and if you order the bundle or place a $50 order, you can earn the paper for free. If you enjoyed this video, I would sure appreciate it if you would like and comment on the video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.